Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 5 Best Woodworking Lathe in 2022.
Top 1.
Jet JWL 1221 VS 12x21 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe, 719,200. Convenient controls, easy-to-reach controls, and digital readout. Recommended circuit size, amps, 10. Optimal speed, choose from 3 speed ranges, 60-900/110-1,800/220-3,600. Innovative design, ratchet-style belt tension system, patent pending. Handy storage includes a tool storage caddy on each end of the machine. Added safety, removable yellow on/off safety key. Directional control, smooth transitions when changing from forward to reverse.
Top 2.
Jet JWL 1640 EVS, 16x40 Woodworking Lathe, 230V3PH, 1-1/2 HP, 719,500. Added protection, inverter is completely enclosed. Smooth movement, tailstock features Acme threads. Convenience, leg-mounted tool holder, and easy-to-access digital readout, DRO. Ideal speed, infinitely variable speed from 40 to 3,200 RPM. Maximum versatility, sliding headstock. The Jet JWL 1640 EVS 16x40 variable speed woodworking lathe is loaded with cutting-edge features that distinguish it from others in its class. Included is a sliding headstock, electronic infinitely variable speed from 40 to 3,200 RPM, and a headstock locking handle.
Top 3.
Jet JWL 1440 VSK 14x40 wood lathe with legs, 719400K. Secure holding, positive locking tool rest with redesigned clamping. Maximum variability, sliding headstock pivots 360 degrees with 7 positive locking positions. Smooth movement tailstock features Acme threads. Ideal speed, infinitely variable speeds from 400 to 3,000 RPM. Added safety, on/off switch with safety key.
Top 4.
Jet JWL 1840 EVS, 18x40 wood lathe, 230V1PH, 3,200 RPM, 719,600. Infinitely variable speed. Conveniently located digital readout lets you adjust speed from 40 to 3,200 RPM. Versatile positioning. Sliding headstock pivots 360 degrees. Maximize working comfort. 4 cast iron risers allow user to adjust height of lathe. Additional longevity. Extended spindle nose houses dual headstock spindle bearings. Secure holding. Banjo uses non-marring, positive locking wedge system to firmly hold tool post. Convenient safety. Magnetic backed. Remote emergency stop button can be situated along the lathe bed.
Top 5.
Jet JWL 1440 VS14X40 Benchtop wood lathe, 719,400. Secure holding, positive locking tool rest with redesigned clamping. Maximum variability, sliding headstock pivots 360 degrees with 7 positive locking positions. Smooth movement tailstock features Acme threads. Ideal speed, infinitely variable speeds from 400 to 3000 RPM. Added safety, on/off switch with safety key. Do you want a lathe that's as versatile as your turning? The 1440 lathe from Jet can be tailored to accomplish a wide range of projects. With a sliding and pivoting headstock, variable speed, and many other great features, this lathe meets the needs of wood turners. Experience the Jet 1440 lathe and see how versatility takes shape.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.